Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here. In today's video, we're diving into Wix Studio, the all-new professional website builder from Wix. I'll show you step-by-step how to create and animate a modern web developer portfolio using its powerful new tools and AI features. Whether you're a designer, a developer, or just someone looking to build stunning websites without coding from scratch, this tutorial will give you everything you need to get started. From setup, structure generation, all the way to a fully customized portfolio site. So make sure to stick around till the end because we'll cover some pro tips to make your site stand out and feel truly next-gen. You can open it by clicking the first link down below in the description box. It'll take you straight to this page. Once you're here, just go ahead and create your account. Once you've created your account and logged in, this is the interface you'll see. Now at the top left corner, there's a drop-down menu called All Sites. From here, you can view all the previous projects you've created in Wix Studio, and there's also an option to create a new site. Let's go ahead and click that. Now we have 3 different ways to start building our project. The first option lets us start from a blank canvas. You'll be working with an empty workspace where you can design every section, element, and layout from scratch. The second option is to start from a template. This gives you access to a wide range of pre-designed layouts created by Wix's professional design team. It's perfect when you want to save time or get inspired by a ready-made structure. You can still customize every detail later. And the final option allows you to generate a site structure with AI. It's a great starting point if you want to move fast and let AI handle the basic setup before you refine everything manually. So let's go with the last option, generate a site structure with AI, so we have a quick starting point to build on. Once you select it, you'll see a short form that Wix Studio asks you to fill out. The first question is, what's the business type? In my case, I'm creating a web developer portfolio, so I'll type that in. Now here's a cool part. Based on the business type you enter, you can simply let Wix Studio's AI complete the rest of the form for you automatically. It will instantly generate the description, choose the site purpose, select the services, and fill in all other details it needs to create a well-structured starting point. Of course, if you want full control, you can adjust any of these fields manually to better match your project. Once everything looks good, hit the Continue button at the bottom right corner. Next, you'll be asked what kind of structure you want the AI to generate. There are 2 options here. The first option is Visual Sitemap and Wireframes. This one uses AI to generate not just the structure of your website, but also unstyled wireframes, meaning you'll get a visual layout of each page with placeholder sections, elements, and content. The second option is Visual Sitemap only. This simply maps out the page hierarchy and navigation flow without any layout or wireframe visuals. It's more for planning and organization rather than visual design. For this tutorial, I'll go with the first option since it gives us a solid visual foundation to work on. Then, I'll click the Start Generating button. Now, Wix Studio's AI gets to work. It begins analyzing your project details, building the sitemap, and creating clean, functional wireframes for each section of your site. Within a few moments, it'll generate a fully structured layout ready for you to customize and design. And finally, it's done generating. Here we have the visual sitemap of our project. It shows a complete AI-generated structure with all the main pages like Home, About Me, My Work, Clients, and more. Each page includes its key sections, headers, content blocks, and footers, giving us a clear, organized overview of the entire website before we move into design. Now let's take a look at the overall website structure. Right away, we get a clean and modern layout with a bold hero section that sets the tone. Overall, it's a clean, well-balanced layout that gives us a strong foundation to build on. You can go ahead and add or edit any element on the page, and working inside Wix Studio's editor is actually very intuitive. For example, if we want to change this text logo, all we need to do is double-click on it and type in the new text. Once an element is selected, you'll notice a settings panel opens on the right side. From here, you can fully customize that element, everything from responsive behavior, fonts, and text styles, to colors, spacing, and animations. You have complete control over how each element looks and behaves across different screen sizes. Adding new elements is just as simple. First, let's open up the Sites panel. This is where you define the global foundation of your website. From here, you can control your color system, typography, set a maximum content width, and configure other global settings that apply consistently across the entire site. Instead of styling elements one by one, you're setting up a centralized design system, meaning any changes you make here automatically reflect everywhere. It gives you full control over your visual identity while keeping the workflow clean, scalable, and professional. For example, if I update the global typography, you'll notice just how flexible this system is. Wix Studio gives you a wide range of typefaces to work with, and switching to something like ARP Display is as simple as selecting it and clicking Update. Once applied, that change instantly cascades across the entire site. Every heading, subheading, and paragraph updates automatically, keeping the design consistent and scalable. You can also upload custom fonts for full brand alignment or fine-tune individual text styles from heading 1 through paragraph styles with precise control. This kind of global design system is where Wix Studio truly separates itself from traditional website builders. And this is only one piece of the platform. Wix Studio has recently rolled out some really creative updates, and this hero section is a great place to explore them. I'll remove the existing headline and slightly reposition the call to action buttons. Now let's add a new headline. When we insert a text element, you'll notice a wide range of advanced options, from standard text styles to collapsible text, text marquees, text masks, text on a path with built-in animations, text effects, and even particle-based text. For this hero headline, I'll use one of the text effects presets. Once selected, the text is fully customizable. You can edit the content, adjust the size, position, colors, and layer in subtle animation effects to add visual emphasis. And most importantly, despite the visual complexity, the text remains fully editable, accessible, and SEO-friendly. Next, I'll move the call to action button slightly downward and add a short supporting description below the headline. I'll also tweak the text color so it complements the overall design. Finally, let's update the hero background. I'll double-click the background area, and from the panel on the right, select Change Media. Here, you can choose between an image or video background, either by uploading your own media or browsing Wix Studio's built-in media library. Once you've selected the asset you want, simply click Change Background, and it's applied instantly. Next, let's take a quick look at design kits. This feature gives you access to pre-built, professionally designed components, things like sections, layouts, UI patterns, and visual styles that are already optimized for responsiveness. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can drop these elements directly into your project and customize them to fit your design system. It's a huge time saver, especially when working on client projects or large websites, because it helps you maintain consistency while moving much faster. Design kits are all about speed without sacrificing quality. They let you focus more on creative decisions and less on rebuilding the same structures over and over again. Let's walk through a quick example. I'll add a new section right below the hero section, and from design kits, I'll navigate to the gradient tech category. Here, I'll drop in this layout with animated cards. Once the section is added, everything is fully customizable. I can swap out the background video, update the section title, and edit the content inside each card to match the project. And when we preview or publish the site, you'll notice that each card animates smoothly as it enters the viewport, all handled automatically. This really shows how flexible Wix Studio is. Between layouts, animations, and interactions, you have the freedom to build almost any website idea you have in mind. Wix Studio also includes a code assistant. This feature also allows you to add custom CSS using simple natural language prompts. For example, I can select this button, and from the panel that opens, click on the Generate option. From here, I can simply describe the change I want. Whether it's a hover effect, a transition, or a styling tweak, the assistant generates the code for us, and we can review and apply it directly to the project. After applying the update, we'll preview the site, and as you can see, the button now has exactly the smooth transition we asked for. All existing animations and effects continue to run perfectly without any conflicts. At the top of the editor, we can easily switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. The tablet layout looks great, but on mobile, a few sections need adjustment. No problem. This is where Wix Studio's AI responsiveness tools come in. We can simply select the section that needs fixing and let the AI optimize it for mobile. When I click it, a panel opens that says Get a responsive section on mobile with AI. Basically, once you've designed your section for desktop, Wix Studio can automatically generate an optimized mobile version for you. You can then review it, fine-tune it, and customize it further if needed. As you can see, Wix Studio starts analyzing the layout and intelligently restructuring it for smaller screens. It's not just shrinking everything down, it's actually rethinking spacing, alignment, and hierarchy to create a clean mobile experience. And just like that, the section looks so much better on mobile. I'll go ahead and apply this version. This is honestly one of the most powerful features in Wix Studio. Anytime a section doesn't feel quite right on mobile, you can simply select it and let the AI handle the heavy lifting for you. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to deploy your app and make it live for the world to see. To do that, simply click the Publish button in the top right corner. From here, you can either use a free Wix Studio domain or connect your own custom domain. Once you've selected your option, just click Save and Continue, and your site will be published in seconds. Now we have our live link. Let's open it up. And there we have it. Everything's running smoothly. Publishing your website doesn't mean it's finished. With Wix Studio, you can update your site at any time, add new features, change content, or refine the design. When you're ready, just republish and the live site updates instantly with no downtime. And that's a wrap. We've covered how to design, animate, and make a fully responsive website using Wix Studio. From layout and global styles to animations, responsiveness, and publishing. You've seen how powerful and flexible the platform is, whether you're building your first site or working on professional client projects. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.